In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash a check on Venmo. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Venmo application like you normally would. Go to the bottom menu and select on the option that says Me. Then go to the top right and then press on the gear icon right over here. And all you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see this option that says cash a check. So all we need to do is go ahead and press on that like so. Now, before you actually do this, make sure that you do have the Venmo debit card, because unfortunately this process will not work if you don't have the Venmo debit card. So just please make sure that you do have one of those before you actually get started. But anyways, guys, in order to actually cash a check, Venmo will need access to your location and your camera. So all you want to do is go ahead and press on continue like so, and then go ahead and just press on only this time. So yeah, it is also going to walk you through the steps as well on how to actually cash a check. So you will need to confirm your info, scan your check, and enter amount and cash out details. So all you want to do is go ahead and get started once you are ready to go. So yeah, if you haven't confirmed your info yet, then you will need to do so using the Venmo application, and it will basically ask you for your social security and stuff like that. Now, unfortunately, I can't actually physically show you the process because this feature is not available within my state. However, it should be available for most states. But basically, all you need to do is scan your check and then enter in the cash details. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.